Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm BENIDORM Mad Mike. We do videos on Benidorm, around Benidorm, let you know what's going on. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Down on the front at the moment. Down by the beach. And the weather's a little bit rough today. The weather books up a bit because we're supposed to be going swimming on Christmas Day, so the weather hasn't come in too much. Well then, I know last year January was quite a bad month here. Nobody gets in. About guys, I'm just using Martin's camera, mine keeps cutting out, so I'm not quite used to how things work different on here. Coming off the front now. Nobody's sat outside today, I wonder why. It's quite cool. We're all on summer. Probably won't be in schools back in the UK. What's hearing, guys? You're allowed to go out and go for a beer and stuff. Or you're just stuck in, was it tier 3? The pubs are not allowed to open stuff. Must be a nightmare for you. I'm pretty lucky here. In Spain, we can do virtually what we want. Couple of fans there. Not so busy up here today. Quite busy. Last time I filmed up here on the evening, most of the bars have got loads of people here, more locals as well. Just about 3 o'clock now in the afternoon. And it's pretty quiet. I'm just walking up here now and we've got a bit of sun on our backs. It's lovely. It warms up a bit. I hope you can hear me all right, because I think the mic works better on Marcus's phone. Just have a bit of a walk round. Don't forget we've got the merchandise now. Can't put the shelf on yet, like normal, but it's in the first link under the video. Have a look there, got t-shirts, mugs. Masks. All good stuff. Perfect Christmas presents. It'll take you in on one shirt, the link, but there are more there in the store. Got all the Benidorm Mad Mike stuff there, and we've got all the t-shirts there as well. Missed the live stream last night, we'll tell you more about them on Sunday. It's pretty quiet even for now. I was taking a lot of moments yesterday now. It is a bit colder today, so well, that's kept a few people in. Anyway, you want me to film, guys? Just give us a shout on it. Now we've got Marcus' camera to film everywhere. I've definitely got to get a new camera myself. New phone or camera or something. I think you'll be finding the quality is a bit better on this phone as well. Okay guys, we're just going to go in the bottom here and then I'll end the video. As you heard earlier, it's a bit windy along the front. There were still people on the beach earlier. Going out, it must be freezing. Most of these bars, got no inside seating, and like today it's really cold if you sit outside. Not too bad if you're walking about. Back down to the corner now. I'll end the video here. Like and subscribe as normal. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.